K5 Play has a 5.70-inch screen size, 18:9 ratio and color resolution of 720x1440 pixels with super elegant alloy metal coating. While Dimensity on 153.75x72.60x7.85mm and weighs 155.00 grams. Very comfortable and super lightweight to be carried everywhere. K5 Play is also equipped with Corning Gorilla Glass 4 that is resistant to scratches when falling at a certain height. K5 Play using GSM dual SIM card, nano SIM and microSIM. Network connectivity also includes Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, USB, 3G, 4G and up to 4G LTE. This type also uses 1.4 Hz octa-core processor. Equipped with OS Android 8.0, Snapdragon 430, Android Nougat 7.1 and ZUI 3.7 skins, so it can simplify and speed up the process of data filtering and also downloading applications. For its own memory, this one smartphone is capable of storing 16 GB of internal data, external microSD up to 128 GB, and 2 GB of RAM. It will be very comfortable when playing games or surfing the internet, because the system is qualified for quick access. For sensors, this smartphone has been equipped with proximity sensor, accelerometer, ambient light sensor and compass, as well as CPU cool down that can reduce the hot phone when used too often in a long time. For those of you who like photography, K5 Play already provides a capable camera with dual rear camera 13MP and 5MP, while 8MP front camera is suitable for groovy/selfie. Not only that, it also features a beauty face, autofocus, face detector, to focus and LED flash to easier to get a good photo. Battery capacity is also very large, 3000 mAh and fast charging and non-removable, easier for you when traveling far.